Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to create a poll on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a poll on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone and open the chat box or the group on which you want to create the poll, guys. So after opening your chat box on which you want to create the poll, on this interface where we can type the message, you can see on this message bar at the right side there is an attachment icon available for us just beside the mic icon. Tap on that attachment icon and this kind of interface will appear, where at the bottom of the screen you can see there are a lot of options, and there is the poll option available for us just beside the location. Tap on poll and this kind of interface will appear, where you can customize your poll by asking a question like, is this helpful? And you can add many answers as you want, like yes, and after that tap on the no, or you can just simply tap on the add options to add and many answers as you want. And you can also go through the many, like let's add another option, and you can go through these options as well, where it says the anonymous voting, multiple answers, and quiz mode. Explore these things to make your poll more informational. And with that being said, guys, after doing all of these, tap on the create button at the top right corner of the screen, and that poll will be created on Telegram like this, guys. And you can see, guys, you can vote it, and with that being done, a poll will be successfully created on Telegram. And guys, this is how to create a poll on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.